Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I want to show you how to find groups in Telegram. So to do that, all you have to do is open your Telegram application. If you don't have Telegram application, just go to the website and then download the Telegram desktop application from here. So once you have downloaded the application, all you have to do is open the application, and here you can see this interface. Now to find the groups, all you have to do is search for the content. So here I'll just search for Netflix, and here you can see the multiple groups. So I'm just going to click here, and there you go, this is our group. All you have to do is the channel, and there you go. So that is how you can find groups on Telegram. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.